Very good evening, Miss Jyoti. How are you?
Good evening, sir. I am very good. How are you?
I am also good. Okay, I want to know how do you look at your personal life? If somebody asks you how is your life, so what will you tell the world?
When I talk about my personal life, it is good, but sometimes I question myself that is I am doing good or not. So at that stage, I used to write about my thoughts and then I analyze them and I evaluate them that is it in which portion it is right and in which portion it is wrong. So I evaluated my questions in this manner, and if I not find the good questions, good answers from those questions, so I used to ask from my mentor of my life, and they used to tell me the right path.
Okay. Did you ever self-doubt yourself and how did you overcome that?
Yes, I have at some stages of my life I have self-doubt myself that I'm not good in this portion. So people used to guide me that you have to do this in this manner. So I adopt them, and after that sometimes I get the good path and sometimes I feel that I have to change it and make it more good in a possible way.
Okay. What do you want to say about Salaka? Nowadays, we have found a lot of people among our society, within us, they generally come and advise you about each and everything. Even how to eat, how to walk, each and everything means they want to preach you all the time. How do you see such people?
Yes, I find it in my home only. Like my sister used to teach me like you have to do exercise, you have to do that, you have to study on time. But at times I feel irritated also. But in reality, it is very essential for me, and if I adopt them, so it helps me. But at that moment, I just try to check it out like yes, calmly I have to do it. At sometimes I overreact on that, but then my sister used to make me feel that I am only doing it for your own good and for your own betterment. So she used to always support me at that moment.
How do you see the medicine means a solution for all problems? We generally say when you tell any problem to your parents, so they generally say to you, wake up early in the morning. Means waking up early in the morning is the solution of all problems. How do you see at this phrase?
For everyone, it must be not same for everyone. For me, waking up in early is good. For you, waking up in the morning is not good. So it depends. The people who are doing the night shift, so they are waking up for the they are staying up for whole night and waking up in the and sleep in the morning. So they also equalize the time and change the manner into their own sense. So according to the life, so they change their self. But the truth is also there that if you do the activities on time and with schedule, but according to yourself, so you must have to do that.
Okay. I'm telling you a situation nowadays what's happening when any boy goes to job in the evening or at night. So everybody gives a certificate like you are a very hardworking person. Same if any girl is going to job at night, so people generally give certificate of characterless. How do you see this thing? Giving character certificate to girls, those who are going to job late night.
The people are making their mindset differently. Some people who are living in a like at a good stage of their life, so they must allow their girls, they have faith in them, but at some times they may change, but the people who are not giving them the freedom to go outside and do the work, so they may feel that their girl is also lagging behind. So at that situation, provide them the facilities. But today the facilities are there, but people are not equipping and not making them it in a good manner.
No issue. Uh, Let me summarize you, but I just want to know that how do you see at this statement when any girl is going to job late night? है ना? So people generally give certificate of it. If boy is going, they call it hardworking. The boy, if the girl goes, they call it characterless. Like maybe she is doing something wrong over there. That's why she goes at night.
No, sir, this is not right. According to me, this is not right, because she is also doing the same hard work. She is also working so hard, but the people have that mindset that she is going out, so maybe it is something wrong. But in reality, some girls who are really hard work, so they do not do that such things. The boys who are also going at night, so they may be also doing something wrong. They may be also drinking or going outside with limitless thing. But the thing is that you have to be have sincerity in yourself that yes, I am doing that work, so I have to do it properly.
Do you know the name Abhay Singh? Abhay Singh from IIT, aerospace engineer.
Yes, sir.
Could you tell something about him if you know?
Sir, according to the reporters, when reporter asked them,
Do you know the
question-
reason why is he there actually? What's the reason that he has become ascetic at present time?
So because he had a breakup in his life.
No, he did not have breakup. He had arguments with his parents.
Okay. But also he had mentioned that he had a breakup with his girlfriend, and also but I don't know properly.
Okay. So I just want to know, how do you see this thing when youngsters are going to be a saint, monk and ascetic? How do you see this thing?
For me, it is not right to become saint. If you like, it may be totally depend on belief, but according to me, it is not right to become saint. If you can do something better in your life, you have a path, you have your wishes, dreams, and all the responsibilities. You must go on to do that. The saint who become saint and adopt sainthood, they have experienced a lot of thing in their life, and after experiencing that, so they become sane. But if you have a proper knowing of the truth of your life already, so you must be go at that path and do your best.
Well, in graph form is